Take a look at this spreadsheet. If this looks anything like how you track your business expenses, we need to talk. Missing categories. Dates all over the place. Was that $47 for office supplies or meals? Who knows? And tax season is right around the corner. I used to do this exact same thing for almost 10 years across 2 businesses. Then I built something better. Let me show you. Look, spreadsheets are great tools. But for tracking business expenses, they have some real problems. Problem number 1, no consistency. You type food one day, meals the next, restaurant the day after. When tax time comes, you're spending hours just cleaning up your own data. Problem 2, missing data. It's so easy to skip a field, and you won't notice until months later when nothing adds up. Problem 3, one wrong formula and your totals are off. I once underreported expenses by $3,000 because of some formula missed a row. That's money I left on the table at tax time. And the biggest problem? There's no reporting. Want to know how much you spent on supplies this quarter versus last quarter? Good luck building a pivot table every time. You're a business owner, not a data analyst. Now let me show you what I built to solve this. This is Exilir Classify. It's a simple expense classification tool designed for small business owners, not accountants. First, getting your data in. Instead of manually typing every expense, you download a CSV from your bank and import it directly. Watch this. That's it. All your transactions are in. No typing, no copy-paste errors. Took about 5 seconds. Now here's where it gets really powerful. You can set up keyword rules. For example, to classify Amazon, first click Edit. Set Amazon as a keyword once, and Classify remembers it forever. Tag Amazon as office supplies and save. And every future Amazon transaction classifies itself. Now that we've created all the rules, let's go back to our original file. You'll notice there are 2 unclassified records. Let's import the original CSV file and watch what happens. See that? The expenses I just imported are already classified. Amazon, grocery, Cox, salary, all done automatically. No spreadsheet will ever do this for you. And here's the payoff. Reports. Want to know how much you spent on fuel this quarter? One click. Need a breakdown by category for your accountant? It's right here. Try doing that in a spreadsheet without spending an hour on pivot tables. You can even export these reports. Hand this to your accountant at tax time and watch their face light up. Let's put them side by side. On the left, the spreadsheet. Messy, inconsistent, no reports, easy to make mistakes. On the right, Exilir Classify. Organized, auto-classified, clean reports. And it took less time to set up than it takes to format a spreadsheet. I ran 2 businesses for almost 20 years. I tracked expenses in spreadsheets for 10 years. When I finally built this tool, I wished I had it from day one. It would have saved me hundreds of hours. If you're tired of messy spreadsheets and you want something simple that actually works, try Exilir Classify. The link is right in the description below this video. It takes about 5 minutes to set up, and you don't need to be an accountant to use it. Plans start at just $7 a month. That's less than a lunch. And if you speak Spanish, the entire app is available in Spanish too.
Toda la aplicación está disponible en español.
If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be posting more videos on how to manage your small business expenses the easy way. See you in the next one.